Did you know? There's a bird called the most dangerous bird in the world. Not an eagle, not a hawk, but a flightless bird. Dark feathers, long legs, and a helmet-like crest on its head. It looks like a creature from prehistoric times. This is the cassowary, a native of the dense rainforests of Papua and northern Australia. One powerful kick from this bird can break bones. And yes, it has even killed humans. Yet behind its fearsome reputation lies a surprising truth. The cassowary is one of the most important species for the survival of tropical forests. Cassowaries belong to the genus Cassowarius, part of the ratite family, a group of large flightless birds that also includes ostriches, emus, and kiwis. There are 3 living species today. 1. Southern cassowary, Cassowarius cassowarius, found mostly in Papua and northern Australia. 2. Northern cassowary, Cassowarius unapendiculatus, native to northern New Guinea. 3. Dwarf cassowary, Cassowarius bennetti, living in the highlands of Papua New Guinea. An adult cassowary can reach 6 feet in height and weigh up to 150 pounds. Its body is covered with coarse black plumage. Its neck glows with shades of blue and turquoise, and 2 bright red wattles hang from its throat. On top of its head stands a bony helmet, or casque, made of keratin, believed to protect it when moving through dense vegetation. Cassowaries inhabit dense tropical rainforests, often in regions nearly untouched by humans. They prefer shady, humid environments with abundant fruiting trees. Cassowaries are solitary and shy creatures. They usually roam alone, marking large territories deep in the jungle. Despite their reclusive nature, they play a vital ecological role as forest seed dispersers. They feed on fallen fruits, seeds, fungi, small insects, and sometimes even carrion. Because their digestive system keeps most seeds intact, cassowaries help spread plant species over long distances, sometimes more than 10 kilometers. Seeds that pass through a cassowary's gut often germinate faster, making this bird a key player in maintaining rainforest regeneration. Though they seem calm, cassowaries are incredibly strong. Their long, muscular legs allow them to run at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour and leap over 5 feet high. Each foot has 3 sharp claws, and the middle one, around 5 inches long, is shaped like a dagger. When threatened, a cassowary can deliver a lightning-fast kick, capable of causing serious injuries. In Australia, since the 1920s, at least 1 fatal attack and many injuries have been recorded. But these incidents happen not because cassowaries are aggressive. Rather, they defend their territory or chicks when they feel cornered. Their strength is also crucial for survival, helping them fend off predators like wild dogs or large reptiles in the forest. In cassowary society, females are dominant, larger, more colorful, and often mate with multiple males. After mating, the female lays 3 to 6 large emerald green eggs in a nest made of leaves and grass on the forest floor. Then, something extraordinary happens. The male takes full responsibility for the offspring. He incubates the eggs for about 50 days, rarely leaving the nest, and later protects and raises the chicks for up to 9 months. This makes the cassowary one of the few bird species where the father is the primary caregiver, a remarkable example of paternal dedication in nature. Cassowaries are often called the gardeners of the rainforest. They disperse the seeds of hundreds of plant species, including many large trees that no other animal can spread. Without cassowaries, many forests would lose their ability to regenerate naturally. In Papua's indigenous cultures, the cassowary is seen as a spiritual guardian, a symbol of strength and resilience. Its feathers and bones are used in traditional ceremonies, and stories about the bird are passed down through generations. Unfortunately, their population is declining due to deforestation, hunting, and habitat loss. The cassowary is now listed as vulnerable by the IUCN Red List. Ironically, the bird known as the world's most dangerous is actually a lifeline for its ecosystem. Cassowaries protect the balance of the forest, feeding, spreading seeds, and sustaining the life cycle of countless plant species. Without cassowaries, the tropical rainforests of Papua could slowly fade away. So, the creature many fear as deadly is, in truth, a guardian of life, a silent protector of one of Earth's last great forests. Sometimes, nature hides its greatest goodness behind a fierce appearance. And somewhere beneath the trees of Papua, a cassowary walks quietly, guarding the forest that gives life to us all.